Welcome to Bitches Cantonese, where you will learn how to survive in Cantonese with this bad bitch, Isabella. Today we're going to learn how to say no in Cantonese. Have you ever wondered why it is so important to learn how to say it firmly, confidently? Perhaps you're just out of work and your friends invite you to a party, and you'll be like, no thanks, I'm actually going to bed soon. Sorry, maybe next time. You see where the problem is? Every mature person knows how to say no gracefully, not to hurt anyone's feeling. But that's the problem. People may not understand your boundary. And with the smile, when you're saying no, that gives a very soft signal. They won't get it. They think if they just try harder, you will say yes. Meanwhile, you really want to say no. Cantonese is an interesting language. If you want to stay stronger, want to gain confidence, you must watch this video and subscribe to my channel. In Hong Kong, we won't be overly polite, especially when we need to deliver important messages. So the first word you're going to learn is 唔使. 唔使. That means I don't need it. No. Not no thanks, 唔使啦，唔該. No. 唔使. You may use this when you're traveling in Hong Kong. You're in a store, you want to look around, but here comes the staff chasing you, asks you, well, may I help you today? Are you looking for this? Are you looking for that? You can tell them, 唔使. 唔使啦. 唔使啦. You don't need any help. You're not being mean. They are being mean because, I grew up in Hong Kong. I know how aggressive they can be when they want to sell you something. And you just want to look around by yourself. That's it. So you tell them, I don't need your help. You can go away. 唔使. In today's lesson, you will hear the word many times because that means negative, no, not to, things like that. You normally use this word before a verb or an adjective. Means not. I don't. 使 means use, need. So altogether, I don't need it. The second word of today's lesson is 唔去. 唔去. 去 means attend, going to, forward. For example, someone invites you to a party you're not interested in. You can just simply say, 我唔去. 我唔去. 我 means I. 唔去. I'm not going. 我唔去. Firmly. You may find it difficult to say no if you are an introvert. But you know what? Being an introvert isn't a disadvantage. If you don't want to go to party, don't say yes. Don't say yes and then at the end of the day you regret all this happens. Okay? Just say no. I'm not going. If they don't understand, if their feelings get hurt, it's on them. You're not doing anything wrong. You simply choose yourself first. And being an introvert means that you gain energy from doing things by yourself, like reading, studying, playing video games, or whatever. It doesn't mean that you are a bad person. It's not a mistake. You simply just choose to spend that energy on yourself instead of going to hang out with everybody. And just because you're quiet doesn't mean that you're weak or you're shy. I'm an introvert, but I'm not shy. So please don't assume that if I say no, that means, oh, she might be just shy and she's so polite. We should try harder. We should ask her again. Like, no. Okay, no means no. So, the same goes to you. If you want to say no, don't think that you are pissing off someone else. It doesn't matter how they think. Just say it, I'm not going. Can you see the difference? I'm not going because, I'm sorry I can't. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. Compared to, I'm not going. Thanks for asking, but I'm not going. I'm not going. And they may ask you, why? Like, don't you want to go hang out with them? Or do you not like us? Like, No, I'm not going. Thank you, but I'm not going. Simple as that. It doesn't matter how they think of you, okay? If they hate you because you turned down one party, let them. If they think you're weird, let them. The third word in today's lesson is you. You. You means want, need. So when you say you, I don't need or I don't want that. Same as before, if someone offer you something but you don't need, you don't have to take it, okay? Especially in Hong Kong, I don't think people are that sensitive to no because it happens in our daily life. For example, you're going to get grocery and then they will ask you like if you want an extra bag. Then if you don't need it, just say you or sai làm coi. We're always taught to be thankful. But wait a minute, what are you giving me? Is that something I asked for? Or are you just doing that to make yourself feel good? You feel like you're donating something to me. You think that I should be thankful. You think that if I don't say thank you and take it, I'm offending you. So, is that actually a donation? Is that a gift? Is that free? Just because we are nice people, we don't have to say yes to everything. In the end of this lesson, let's do a recap. 唔使，唔使，唔去，唔去，唔要，唔要。Thank you so much for watching Beaches Cantonese. I'm sure you learned a lot today. So subscribe, share, comment, and like. And make sure to check out my weekly videos. See you next time.